Hello, good afternoon. I wanted to come on to do a quick tips and tricks type of thing. Somebody wanted to see, I believe it was Maddie, wanted to see the blow dryer trick with the 3D fiber lash mascara. So this is my first time trying this. I'm going to see how it works. Hey, shh, not so loud, okay? I love you. Alright, so I did not curl my lashes or anything. I don't have anything on them, and I'm gonna just do one eye at a time. So I'm going to first put the gel on. And get it on the ends there. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the fibers. And after you put the fibers on, you're supposed to, well, you're not supposed to, but a trick is to go in with the blow dryer on a low setting, and it kind of curls your lashes and sets the fibers so that you'll get less fallout and it stays better and curls up your lashes. So let me get these fibers on here. Okay. So now that I have the fibers on, I'm going to go in on a low setting with the blow dryer. It might be a little bit loud, sorry, in advance. So low setting. This feels really weird. What are you doing? Okay, stop. Okay, I'm not really sure how long. Hey, shh. Not really sure how long you're supposed to do that, but now I will set it with the gel. Baby, stop. I'm doing a video and you're making it wobbly for everybody. Stop. And now I'm setting it with the gel. I actually think I kind of like that. I'm going to do the other eye without the blow dryer just to see, like, kind of show you a difference. Maybe there'll be a big difference, maybe there won't, but it looks pretty good and I think I like it. Let's do the other eye just normal without the blow dryer and see how that goes. Okay, so put on the gel.
Mom, did you put the blow dryer on?
No, not yet, baby.
Okay. And don't forget, blow this.
I will in a minute. Let me finish my video first, okay?
Away.
Alright, so there's the gel on that side. Let's get some fibers. I just realized that I'm doing some really weird faces. Alright, so there's the fibers for that side, and I'm going to wait a second and let it kind of sit there. I don't see too big of a difference yet. I mean, obviously this side has some fibers, like fiber right there, kind of sticking on, but
Which button?
hold on, baby, not yet, okay? Okay, now I'm going to go back in with the gel to seal in those fibers. Careful, Lovey. Caleb. Shh. You want to say hi to everybody?
Yeah.
I'm doing a video. Tell them hi.
Hi, I want to show them my surprise eggs. They're called spectacular spider.
Oh, you're showing them your fake surprise eggs?
Yeah.
Alright, so...
No, they're called spectacular.
Okay, shh.
And I'm gonna
So I noticed that without the blow dryer... Shh. 1 second, please.
Show them my
1 second.
surprise egg.
1 second, please. Okay, with this side, I noticed that I did get some fallout on my cheek from...
Okay,
Shh. Please, can you stop for a minute? Please. I noticed I got... Let you get your headphones. On this side, without the blow dryer, I noticed I did get some fallout on my cheek before I did the gel, but I easily wiped that off. But with the blow dryer side, I feel like it is kind of curled up more. Let me see. I think it is kind of curled up more. I think I prefer the blow dryer side. I'm going to blow dry this side now and see if it makes a difference after you do both steps. So it's going to get loud for a minute. Good job. Dude. Okay, so there is that. I think I really like this blow dryer chick. Like, I think they look way better. Maddie, they do look more separated, right?
Mom, I want to show them
Like more separated?
my surprise egg.
Yes, I had it on cold and the lowest setting. So this is with the blow dryer and 1 coat, and that is crazy. Like, usually I get these results for 2 coats, so definitely, I'm definitely liking the blow dryer trick. I think it might be like the new thing I do. If I can get these results from 1 coat, then yeah, I'm gonna try it. Let's try another coat and see if it, this time I'll just focus on the ends. What are you nudging me for? No, it's actually not scary, and I have like super sensitive eyes, and usually with like the tiniest bit of wind or the tiniest bit of like wind or bright sun, my eyes will water like crazy, and this didn't make my eyes water, which is awesome. Alright, let's get, pretty much have to close my eyes. It made it so curled and long. Eek, I'm definitely going to mess up my eye makeup with the second coat. Alright, now let's do the blow dryer again. It's on the coldest setting and the lowest setting. Here we go.
PJ master. Mama, throw these PJ pets away.
Alright, 1 second.
Hey, you should.
Oh, sorry. Here.
What is it good?
Now I'm going to go back in with the gel.
Let me show them my surprise eggs so I can open them and see what I have.
Alright, 1 second. Let me finish showing them this first. Okay? It's kind of hard to see in the phone. And he stole my mirror, so I'm looking. Alright, so this is really hard to not mess up your eye makeup with the second coat if you have long lashes, but dang, I think I'm in love with that trick. Look at this. So this eye is 2 coats with the blow dryer trick, and then this eye is 1 coat with the blow dryer trick. Like, hello. That's amazing. There's a spot right here that's bugging me. I'm gonna put a little more gel on there. Oh my god, my lashes are so long. Ah, that's so crazy. Okay, now let's do the second coat on this eye. Just focusing on the tips.
Ah.
Okay, so there's whoops. I just got it all over my face. Whoops. And then go in with the fibers.
Oh.
Don't mind my weird faces. I'm trying not to make a huge mess with this. Okay. Any bundles with foundation brush and mascara? If you tell us how long the blow dryer trick lasts, like if they still look. Okay, yeah, I'll come at the end of the day and show you guys how they look. And bundles with the foundation brush and the mascara. If you order this month's Kudos with the primer, foundation, concealer, and the foundation brush, I will give you a free gift. And if you would like that free gift to be the mascara, then I can do that for you. So otherwise, none of the collections or anything come with the foundation brush. All right, let's set this. Okay, and now let's set this with the gel.
Mama, which button did you push?
Oops, the bottom one, baby.
The bottom one?
Yep.
Did you push the higher one or the down one?
The down one.
The down?
Yep. Yes. All right. So
wait, did you push this one?
Hold on, Lovey. I'll help you in a minute, okay? All right, there's that. Minus my mess. I'm a messy mascara person, and with the volume and the length I'm getting with this mascara, dang, like, it's bound to happen. Oh, that's all right. I'm fine with that. As long as my lashes look good. Hey, turn it off for now, please. Oh my goodness. This is why I do my lives in the morning, because the kids are crazy, and this is just one of them. So yeah, this is 2 coats with the blow dryer trick. That's amazing. It looks awesome. It's basically like touching my eyebrow. Look at that. That is crazy. So I'm going to do my bottom lashes. I'm not going to do...
Mama, do you need your face?
Not yet, baby. I'm not going to do the blow dryer trick on the bottom lashes. I will just do like... just do... Turn it off.
Which button?
I'll just do the... Alright, leave it alone for now, please. Let me finish this video. So I'll just do the gel and the fibers on the bottom lashes. Caleb, can you please listen?
Let them.
And then if you guys are interested,
Let them open my surprises.
around the end of the day, I will come back live to show you how the blow dryer trick lasted, and I'll show you what my lashes look like at the end of the day, just so you guys can see. And I'll let you know if I have any like fallout or any of that stuff as well. But I'm definitely loving this blow dryer trick. It like works crazy good. I was scared to try it because my eyes are so sensitive, but hello. Definitely.
Let them open my surprise egg.
Hold on, baby love. Definitely gonna keep doing it. Yours are super short, Maddie. Yeah, this mascara works really good. My mom has like basically non-existent eyelashes, and she put this mascara on and it made like a huge difference. It's crazy. And I really love this new formula. I, to be honest, hated the last formula. I wouldn't use it in videos or anything or tell people about it because I didn't like it. But this formula is like awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So 1 coat on the bottom lashes, 2 coats with the blow dryer trick on the top lashes, and that is insane. Look at that. So this is the 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. Baby, please stop. This is a 3D Fiber Lash Mascara from Younique. I put my link in the description above if you guys are interested. And there's also a kudos this month with the primer, concealer, liquid foundation, and the foundation brush. And whoever orders that bundle will get a free gift from me. And if you want to add this on, that's an option. So definitely look into it. Alright, hold on. If you have any questions or need to be color matched or anything like that, please feel free to message me. They look fake. Yeah, they do. It's crazy. And they don't even feel heavy or anything, which is like awesome. But like you think they would feel super heavy and like be weighing my eyes down, and they're totally not. But look at that. That is amazing. So I hope you guys have a good day. This little turd wants to open some fake surprise eggs. He wants to do a video, so I'm gonna let him do that in a minute. But hope you have a great day. Fiber Lash Mascara with the blow dryer trick, 2 coats, amazing. I'll show you the results later tonight. Not sure a time. I don't know. I'll just be on later tonight, and you'll have to look for me if you want to see. I'll let you know if there's fallout or anything like that. Hope you guys have a great day, and till later to see the results and how they stayed put and whatever. Have a good day. Tell him bye. Okay, he's angry. Bye guys, have a good day.